Hi there, I'm Hiccup Harry. Oops, there I go again. I wonder why we get these silly hiccups. Let's go on an adventure to find out. Wow, I'm shrinking. I'm going inside my own body. Look, that's my diaphragm. It's a muscle that helps me breathe. When it moves suddenly, it makes me hiccup. Imagine a balloon inflating and deflating. That's like my diaphragm moving up and down. Sometimes it moves too quickly, like a sudden jerk, and that's when I hiccup. It's like when someone tickles you and you jump. The diaphragm can get tickled too. Let's keep exploring to learn more about this amazing muscle. Oh, hello, who are you?
I'm Mr. Diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Diaphragm. Can you tell me about hiccups?
Sure thing, watch this.
Whoa, so that's what causes hiccups.
That's right. Sometimes I get a little too excited and move suddenly. That makes you breathe in quickly and...
Hic! I get it now.
The diaphragm moves up and down to help you breathe. When it moves suddenly, you get hiccups.
Thanks, Mr. Diaphragm. Now I know all about hiccups.
Let me show you more. Imagine the diaphragm like a trampoline. When you jump on it, it moves up and down.
Oh, I see. So when the diaphragm moves, it helps us breathe in and out, just like bouncing on a trampoline.
Exactly. And sometimes if it moves too quickly, it causes a hiccup. It's like a surprise bounce.
Wow, that makes so much sense. Thanks for the fun explanation, Mr. Diaphragm.
Remember, the diaphragm is always working to help you breathe. It's a very important muscle.
Got it. Thanks again, Mr. Diaphragm. Thanks, Mr. Diaphragm. Now I know why we get hiccups. Let me explain it to you. Hiccups happen when Mr. Diaphragm gets a little too excited. He moves suddenly, making you breathe in quickly. That quick breath makes a funny sound. Hic! So next time you get the hiccups, remember it's just Mr. Diaphragm playing around. The diaphragm is a muscle that helps you breathe by moving up and down. When it moves suddenly, it causes a hiccup. Imagine your diaphragm is like a balloon. When you blow air into it, it gets bigger. When you let the air out, it gets smaller. That's like your diaphragm moving up and down. Or think of it like a spring. When you push it down, it bounces back up. Sometimes it bounces too quickly, and that's when you get a hiccup.